how to create Twitter account without mobile number. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Twitter application on your mobile device. If you don't have the application yet, you can simply install that from Google Play Store. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply log in with your account. Now, since we don't have an account, so we will be creating a new account without mobile number. So tap on create account from this interface. Here you can select your language, or else you can also skip this for now. So tap on skip for now from the bottom left corner. Now you will be taken to this interface where you have to enter your name first. So first of all, enter your name, and under that enter your email, and after that you have to enter your date of birth. So you can select the date of birth. After that, tap on next, but before that, make sure you read this information given to you, that your date of birth will not be shown publicly. And after that, tap on next. Now you have to authenticate your account. For that, tap on authenticate, and you have to complete these verifications. Click the arrows to sum the dice and match the number on the left. Now once you complete the verification, you will receive a code on your Gmail. So go back to Gmail and look for the code. Here you will receive a code in your inbox. Simply copy that code. Again, go back to Twitter and paste the code here and tap on next. Now you have to create a password. So make sure it's a 8 character or more. And again, tap on next. Now if you like to pick a profile picture, you can simply upload the profile picture, or else you can also skip this process for now. So tap on skip for now. Now you can set your username. You can either go with the default one, or you can also type in the name that is available. Then tap on next. Now you can go with these steps on your interface, that is, you can decide who to follow or get notifies when someone you join Twitter, or turn off syncing at any time. And after that, tap on continue. Then Twitter will ask for some of your permissions on your device. If you want to allow that, simply tap on allow or tap on don't allow. After that, you have to follow one or more account to continue. So you can simply follow an account, then tap on next. Then finally you will have a Twitter account that is created without using your mobile number. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.